Hi friends, let me show you how to top some dahlias. So dahlias tend to grow in straight lines like this. These plants are a little bit leggy, but we can talk about that a different day. So how do we promote side growth on these plants instead of making them one long thin line with one flower coming off the top? Well, you wait till it has 4 nodes. Nodes are the areas where the leaves come off the stem, right here, right here, right here. Once it has 4, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect. We are going to take the top and we're going to pinch. That is going to promote the side growth by removing that little top, and we're gonna get a lot more flowers off of this. This is Star's favorite, and I will show you later in the season how beautiful she is when she blooms. Other than that, look at all of my dahlias. So beautiful, and look at all of that I planted. It's gonna be a great day, gonna be a great season.